found these really tiny eggs on the ground when I was cleaning up the maleza, as they call it, the weeds of the hay, of the grass, and then just found this. Felt really bad about these little birdies that get hurt when the hay is being cut. So the mummy is like flying around. So what I did was I built this up. I left the stuff that I was supposed to cut around it and added some more. So I built this little hut just so that she's safe, because this is an open space. Lots and lots of vultures and eagles and hawks flying around. So I just built this around the nest where it was. So I hope she's gonna find it. I just put a little bit more straws and everything because it was in the sun. As you can see, it's still in the sun because the sun is now falling from this side. But I hope it's fine. I'll be checking on them every day since I come here to work every day. So hopefully they'll be fine. Hopefully.